Experiencing issues with your Tesla Model 3 phone key? You're not alone. Many users encounter problems with the Bluetooth key not working, preventing them from unlocking, locking, or starting their vehicle. First, ensure your Tesla app is up to date. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues with the vehicle's Bluetooth system. Then, verify Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Check the Connections menu to ensure it's turned on. Make sure the Tesla app has always location access and Bluetooth permissions. This allows continuous connection. A simple phone restart can often resolve temporary glitches in the Bluetooth connection. Also, make sure your phone's battery isn't critically low, as this can affect Bluetooth performance and cause connection drops. The Tesla Model 3 phone key relies on Bluetooth connectivity between your smartphone, the Tesla app, and the car's infotainment system. This wireless connection allows seamless access to your vehicle without physical keys. The pairing process involves enabling Bluetooth on your phone, granting necessary permissions in the Tesla app, and performing initial setup near the car's console. This creates a secure wireless link between devices. Common causes of phone key failure include signal interference from nearby Wi-Fi routers, low phone battery levels, software bugs in updates, or hardware faults in the Bluetooth module. It's essential to understand that the system uses AES-256 encryption for security, providing strong protection against unauthorized access. However, vulnerabilities can still arise from user errors during the initial setup process. If your phone key continues to malfunction, try repairing it. Start by deleting the old key from the Tesla app. Next, navigate to the Lock section of the car's touchscreen and select Phone Key. Follow the prompts to re-add your phone, scanning the QR code displayed on the screen. Ensure your phone is near the center console during this process. After scanning, the app will prompt you to grant permissions again. Confirm these settings to finalize the repairing. For the phone key to function reliably, the Tesla app requires specific permissions. Crucially, it needs always location access, not just while using the app. Also, ensure Bluetooth permissions are enabled. On iOS, navigate to Settings, Tesla, and verify location and Bluetooth settings. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tesla, Permissions. Without these permissions, the key will likely fail when the app is backgrounded or outside a short range. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the Bluetooth key issues, start with advanced steps. First, clear the Tesla app cache in your phone's settings to remove temporary data that might be causing conflicts. Next, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are interfering with the connection. Turn off nearby devices like headphones, speakers, or other phones that might compete for the Bluetooth signal. As a last resort, factory reset the vehicle's Bluetooth settings through service mode. Access this hidden menu via the touchscreen. Consult your owner's manual or Tesla support. Note that incorrect use can cause issues, so proceed carefully. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air software updates to address Bluetooth connectivity issues. Check if your car is running the latest version, 2026.2 or later. These updates often include improved stability for iOS and Android integrations and automatic repairing prompts when connections drop. Note that older Model 3s, manufactured before 2023, might face more persistent problems due to outdated firmware clashing with newer smartphone OS updates. Tesla's service centers offer free diagnostics via the app, with remote fixes for many cases. Tesla is moving beyond traditional Bluetooth keys to more advanced technologies. Newer models are incorporating NFC-based options like ultra-wideband or UWB, which provides more reliable passive entry through precise location detection. Tesla is also exploring cellular fallbacks to overcome Bluetooth's limitations. Cellular connectivity eliminates range restrictions and reduces interference risks from other wireless devices, ensuring consistent performance in urban environments. The upcoming keyless mode will further minimize reliance on Bluetooth. This feature uses advanced sensors for automatic vehicle access, enhancing both security and convenience, especially in busy city settings. By 2027, expect full integration with smart homes through protocols like Matter. This will allow Tesla keys to work seamlessly with other connected devices, creating a unified ecosystem for modern living. Expert tips for handling Tesla Model 3 Bluetooth key issues include proactive maintenance and reliable backup solutions. Experts recommend proactive maintenance, such as regular app updates, to avoid Bluetooth key escalations. Always carry your emergency key card as a backup in case of phone key failure. If issues persist despite troubleshooting, contact a Tesla service center for professional assistance. Statistics show that app based troubleshooting has an 85% success rate, rising to 95% with service intervention. Remember, you're not alone in facing these challenges, and Tesla is continuously working to improve connectivity reliability.